Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to premiere a new YouTube video. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. Alright, so if you want to premiere a new YouTube video, of course you can do that in YouTube Studio. So open up YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com, sign in into your YouTube channel account, then just click on Create Video, then Upload Videos, then upload your video file you want to premiere. And once you have uploaded the video file, of course add all the details, the title, the description, the thumbnail and anything else. Then to premiere a YouTube video, you can do that in the Visibility tab, so the last tab of this upload window, and you have two options to premiere a YouTube video. So of course, first, if you want to premiere a YouTube video, you have to publish the video to everyone, so you cannot premiere a private or an unlisted video. And if you select public here, as you can see, here is where you can set the video as an instant premiere. So if you click on this, as YouTube explains here, when you set your video as an instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. As you might have already watched the premiere, in that case there will be also a chat window next to the YouTube video where you can engage with your audience, discuss the video and anything else. The other option you have to premiere a video is to not publish the video immediately, but to schedule the video. So if you click on this one, then you can also set this scheduled video with a premiere, and this is even better in my opinion, because in this case your subscribers will be able to see that you're gonna have a new video on this specific date, and they are more likely to show up for the premiere, where you can again have a conversation with them while all of you are watching the premiere. This is a great tool you should take advantage of, and as you can see, when you click on set as premiere, you can also set up the premiere, so you can select from different countdown themes. So you might know this Premiere Classic, but you can also select ambient, and you can also select the countdown length. Alright, so once you have selected the countdown length and the theme of your countdown, just click on save, schedule the video, and the video will go live with a premiere. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel. Alright, so if you found this free tutorial helpful, please like it, or you can also support us making more free videos by clicking on the thanks button. Any support is appreciated. Thanks.